Today I want to talk a little bit about caffeine. Before we start, here's a curious fact. Do you realise that caffeine is about the only addictive drug that we freely give to children worldwide? Not just tea and coffee, but things like cola and sports drinks. Makes you think, doesn't it? So how does caffeine keep us awake? Well, it binds to what are called adenosine receptors. Now, adenosine is the sleepy hormone that builds up while we're awake. And so caffeine binds to these receptors, which keeps us awake a little bit longer. But don't forget, of course, that by the time the caffeine wears off, the adenosine's still been increasing further. So we're going to have that real post-caffeine crash and feel completely exhausted. The other way that caffeine works is it stimulates hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which is why you might feel your heart beat just that little bit faster when you've had a double shot espresso. What most people don't realise is that caffeine has actually quite a long half-life, anything between 5 and 8 hours. So what does this mean? Well, if you have your after-lunch latte at 2 o'clock, you may still have up to half of that in your system when you try to go to bed at 10 p.m. So keep in mind, if you're having trouble sleeping, maybe make that after-lunch coffee a decaf.